Yeah, the door's kind of off the hinges. But this is what the room's looking like right now. Trust me, it was much worse than this. It was up to here, and that's pretty fucking high up. But now we just got that pile, and then we're done. Fingers crossed we can get this done tomorrow, because Shane's coming back again, and hopefully, well that is, we can get this done tomorrow on this. You see this video a couple of days late. Start painting. Dildos! Alright, so just gonna pick the shit up and yeet it to my dad. Nice guy. Did you see how much our mood changes when we're filming?
I know.
So now we just need to take these bags down. That bag needs to go to Michael, see what he wants to keep. This needs to go to Dad.
Okay.
So if you want to take that to Michael. You're right there, Santa. Is it heavy?
Nah.
Santa's having an orgasm. What just happened?
I want to kill myself.
Oh, let me get another bit.
This is for the AIDS. Honestly, it's for the AIDS. What do you mean? Oh shit, wrong way.
That's what she said.
What is this? Yeet?
It's fucking typical, isn't it, mate? This looks so wrong, you just... Hold on, let me just,
You like that? Fucking.
what the fuck is that?
I look gay as fuck.
That's why I said you look gay.
Yeah.
You look like a vampire that's allergic to humans. Are you afraid, people?
Jimmy Savile is a vampire.
This is the stupidest shit I've seen you do in a while. How does it feel being a kid again?
Fucking amazing, mate.
You're gonna wear that going outside?
Yeah? It's like Halloween. Oh man, don't give a fuck, you know. No, should I take a picture of the song? First on Instagram. Yo, who wants to be part of my vampire clan? Yeah, subscribe to my channel, you be part of a vampire. I'll be uploading soon. There you go.
They couldn't see from the back, but you're thick.
Don't actually question why I'm in a vampire suit, just don't, right? So pretty much, yeah. Matthew is filming a video for his channel, so check out question.
You're fucking doing an Instagram story.
Oh, fuck yeah. My bad.
You think you was?
Yeah.
Subscribe. I'm literally like 2 away from 160, so please.
We're missing on an unknown path. We don't listen and we don't look back. 'Cause we can't count on anything but that. We just got our love. You're lost in the moment, wake me up. Being with you every moment, that's enough. Got all to lose. I don't know if we do. I'm dreaming and you're just high. You're running, our hips to ride. Just to be with you. 'Cause it's all for you.
Shit show of a video. Subscribe, check Shane out. Link him in the description. Peace.